Hello guys, welcome back to wx3p communication channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a simple way of changing the touchpad of wx3p. I'll be showing you a simple trick in changing touchpad. So first of all, you got to open the phone, you lose the nut. I've already loosened the nut of that phone or the bolt, and after that you can open it with your flat, or if you have sharp fingers and doing there, you can do it. So you got to open it gently. So after opening the phone, you unclip all those clips around, so that you'll be able to remove that touchpad. That is the camera clip and remove it. Look at the touchpad clip. I've unclipped it. So after that, you separate it. I want to use razor in separating it, but before participating in this type of action, you got to hit the phone properly, or if the phone is soft enough, you can remove it with razor as I'm doing there. But if it is strong, try to hit it properly. If not, you will damage your phone and you will injure yourself. So take note of that one. I've already hit that phone. So you got to do it gently to avoid the razor cutting the LCD of that phone. So do it gently. So that is it. Just be doing it gently as I'm doing there. So I've removed it. So you need to clean that place, but before I'm doing that one, I got to test the touchpad first. So after testing the touchpad, I can remove it and clean it and apply the touchpad gum in order to hold the touchpad strong. So that is the touchpad. That is a new touchpad. So yeah, that is it. Good. So you got to put it properly in the right hole. As you see, that spot there is dirt. It's very dirty, so I got to clean it, but I need to test it before. Yeah, good. I've clipped it. Nice one. So now after that, I got on it to test it. Good. So you allow the phone to on. Yeah, it have on. Good. That is it. Yeah, I allow the phone to on. Yeah, the phone have display. So let me touch it. Yeah, it have touch. Yeah, good. Good. I'm just adjusting it small. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, the phone have started touching. Good. Let me increase the light. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That is it. That is just a simple trick in changing touchpad. Again, take note, when changing this kind of phone touchpad, or when removing the touchpad with a blade, make sure that you have already hit that phone, because when you hit that phone, it will soft, so that you can be able to use your blade or the separating rope to remove it. So take note of that one. If you do anything beyond that one, you might damage your screen or the touchpad, or you might even injure yourself. So take note of that one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So continue to subscribe to wx3p communication channel. So maybe by next month we are going to start our WhatsApp lecture. We have the free class and we have the paid class. You know that the two of them are not the same. In the paid class, we are going to teach you plenty things concerning GSM maintenance and repair. By learning with us, you can be able to open your phone shop 100% guarantee. So if you are ready, just WhatsApp me, just send me a WhatsApp message. I will drop I will be placing the number on the screen there. So if you are ready, you can contact me. But in the class, I will drop the WhatsApp link maybe by next month. If you are ready, don't forget to throw me a WhatsApp message. Thank you. God bless you.